Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can host a meeting, how you can control the interface on your mobile phone, and also I'm going to be showing you how you can join meeting on your mobile phone. Okay, so let's get started. I'll start from how you can schedule meeting on your phone. So the first thing you're going to do is ensure that you go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and you download the Zoom app. Then hover to where you have the Zoom app on your phone, click on it. Alright, this is the page you are going to be seeing. Okay, we are going to come to joining a meeting. If you want to join a meeting, you don't need an account. You might not have an account with Zoom. If you click on just join here, it's going to take you to the page that you input other information that you need to join a meeting. But if you are going to host a meeting, then you have to have an account with Zoom. So over to this left side of the page and click on sign up. So you see it here, you see it month, day, year, you put in your date of birth. So let's sign in from here. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Okay, so let's select my Google account. Okay, after you sign in here, it's going to synchronize with your mobile app that you've downloaded. So just click on launch Zoom from here. You can see, so it's trying to open it right from the app. Okay, so here we are. This is my page, and this is the page. This is what you're going to be having once you sign into your account. Okay, so the first one to your left, the first option to your left there, you're having meet and chat. You're having meetings. If you click on meetings, this is where you can access all the meetings that you have scheduled in the past. Okay, so contact here, you can add contact, you can add phone contact here, you can invite people to Zoom via this place. Okay, if you click on settings or so, settings, this is where you can change your name, you can change your profile picture right on your mobile phone here. Okay, so you have it here, meet and chat. So the first option here is new meeting, the second option join meeting, schedule, and share screen right from your mobile phone. So if you click on this first option, if you click on new meeting, that means you want to start a new meeting where you can invite people and they join you. Okay, so let's go back. If you want to schedule a meeting, you click on this schedule. The third option, if you want to join a meeting, you click on this join and you input the login details and you join. But because we are doing it as a host, as if you are the host now, you're trying to schedule a meeting for your clients, for your office, and for whatever. Okay, so click on schedule. All right, right from here you can set the theme for the meeting. Okay, so ensure you set the date. So from when 2 p.m. To 2:30 p.m. If you are using a basic plan for Zoom, you cannot hold a meeting, you cannot schedule a meeting that is longer than 40 minutes. Okay, so if you want to do that, you have to upgrade to a pro plan, which is about $149 per annum. Okay, if you want to do a monthly subscription, is about $14 per month. Okay, so the next option here is your time zone. Okay, if you want to set the meeting automatically for you to generate the meeting ID automatically, you can just click this one. Then after you click it, it's going to generate the meeting ID automatically for you, but I'll be using my personal meeting ID, so I'll just leave it. Okay, so you want to set password, you set the password here. Okay, so let's set the password to okay. So after that, you set the meeting options. Do you want the participant and the host video to be on and off? Okay, after that, you set your go to advanced options. In this advanced option, you see enable waiting room. If you leave it like this, then anyone can log into the meeting and log out. But if you enable it, then the host, or as a host, you have to control the people that comes into the meeting. All right, so the next option there is allow join before host. In case the host is not going to be available or is not going to join on time, other people can join the meeting. then automatically record meeting. You can scroll down over to this your top right corner of the screen and click done. And so the meeting has been scheduled. All right, so what you do here, you can send it via Gmail or Yahoo Mail. But one thing I do when I'm scheduling a meeting from my mobile phone, I just click outside here and you can see this option that says add invitee. So if you click on this add invitee, it's going to bring out this page where you just hover down to this last option and tap on copy to clipboard. So it has copied to clipboard. You can go out of this page, locate where you have your document editor. For instance, I have this. Okay, just paste it here, and whatever you need to do, you can do the adjustment here before sending it to people. You can just click on this one. Let's say HOD is inviting you to a scheduled Zoom meeting. Okay, moving forward. So after you are done here, just click everything. All right, and cut it off. Okay, so you can hover to your email, your WhatsApp. Let's say I want to send it to my WhatsApp now. Just click on WhatsApp. Click on okay, search for the person I'm going to send it to. Okay, paste it here and click on send. Then it goes. So if your participants want to join the meeting, they will either click on this link, then it takes them to the meeting, or they click on the meeting page, paste this meeting ID and the password, then they are good to go. All right, so that is how to schedule a meeting on your mobile phone. The next thing we are going to be doing now is to, okay, so let's say we are starting the meeting now, and I'm going to show you the interface, how you can make use of the interface right from your mobile phone. This is me. This is my page as the host of the meeting. Okay, the first option here is where you have your microphone. Okay, this video, you're still going to see how you can join the meeting as a participant and know the host. Okay, so the first option here, you're having the microphone. This is where you can mute. If you click on it now, I'm muted, so whatever I'm doing, nobody will hear. Okay, the second one is the video. If I click on it now, the video is unmuted. Okay, that is me, you can see. Okay, I take it off. The next option here is share. Right from your mobile phone here, you can share your screen. If you click on it, okay, you can share from Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, you can share photo, documents, you can share screen, and basically this is where you share your screen. The next option, okay, this is where you have all your participants listed. Because I'm the only one in the meeting right now, that's why you're seeing only my name. Okay, so if you have any other person that joins the meeting, all their names are going to be listed here alphabetically after the host. So this is where you can mute your participants. You can ask them to unmute themselves. Okay, you can invite here, the left side of the screen. If you click on it, you can invite people to join you on the meeting. You can mute all here. Okay, allow participants to unmute themselves. Okay, so let's go out of here. Let's close this page. Okay, so the next option there is more option. If you click on more option, okay, so you can chat, you can set the meeting, you can do some few settings on the meeting. If you click on meeting now, okay, if you don't want people to come into the meeting again, you can log the meeting right from here. You can enable waiting room for you to be able to control those who comes into the meeting. Okay, also you also have the option here where you can allow participants to either share their screen or not. You can allow participants to chat with everyone. Okay, you can also change the topic. You can set it so that the meeting plays a sound when someone joins or leaves the meeting. Okay, you can also see the general setting here where you have mute participant upon entry. Okay, so basically this is where you set everything about your meeting right from your dashboard here. you can do all the settings. Okay, so that is it about that, how you can schedule meeting on your Zoom using your mobile phone and how to control the interface. Okay, so if I want to go out of here, I'll just click on end at the top right corner of the screen. I click on end. So as the host, I can either leave the meeting and while the meeting is still going on, or end meeting for all. If I end meeting for all, then the meeting will close for all participants. All right, so let's end meeting. Hello, welcome once again. So I'm going to be showing you again how you can join a meeting on Zoom using your mobile phone. And we have a lot of people that complain they join the meeting, the sound is not working, they don't know how to go about it and all of that. So basically this is going to show you how you can join a meeting successfully. So the first thing you want to do is ensure that you click on your Zoom app after you have downloaded. Okay, so there are two ways you can join Zoom meeting. You can copy the login details from your page. You can copy it, you come here and you join the meeting, or there is always a link that comes with any of the meeting you have been invited to. Right from that page you can click on the link. If you click on the link, I'm still going to take you through that. If you click on the link, you will see details about the meeting. Okay, so the first option, go to the link that's been sent to you. So let's do that. You go to the link that's been sent to you and you click from there. You don't need to register with Zoom for you to join a meeting. But if you want to schedule a meeting, if you want to host a meeting, you have to have an account. But if your own is just to join meeting, you don't have to have an account before you log in. Okay, so let's go to where we have a link. For instance, say somebody sends me a link on my WhatsApp. I'll just come where I have the link, okay, and click on the link. If I click on the link, it will prompt me to open with either Zoom or with my web. Okay, so I will click with this one. But once I click on it, it's going to take you straight away to your app. Okay, so this is where you have the opportunity to set your name. Okay, so I will set the name here. Let's say Ola. All right. Okay, so if the meeting is passworded, it's going to bring a page, another page where you input your password. But because this meeting does not require password, that is why you are seeing it like this. So this meeting was set in a way that the host has to allow you to come in. The host has enabled waiting room, so you have to wait for the host. So that's the first option. You click on the link, put in the details, and you log in. Then the second option is for you to open your app. Once you open the app here, you are going to click on join a meeting here. Click on join a meeting. Okay, so this is where you have your meeting ID. The meeting ID for this meeting is then if you look at this join options here, you are seeing connect, don't connect to, turn off my video. I would advise that you do not touch either of these options so that it will not prevent you from logging in or prevent you from hearing when you log in. Okay, so just leave it and click join. Okay, if you click on join meeting, it's going to bring a page where you input your password. Okay, this is the password 7. Okay, so after you have inputted your password, just click OK. Okay, so it's going to prompt you to either join with video or join without video. So I'll click on join without. I'll wait for the host to allow me. So this is the most important part of this lecture, right? Don't mind me, that's my second account. So most people call to complain, and that when they join a meeting via their mobile phone, they cannot hear. This is where the problem is. As you log in, this first option is what you click on, because you can see it. It says join audio. For you to be able to hear and to be heard, click on call over internet. because if you just go ahead and tap outside of this without selecting it, you are not going to hear. You would see people in the meeting, but you are not going to hear any one of them, and they are not going to be hearing you as well. Okay, so for you to be able to do this, ensure that you click on this first option. So if you click on this call over internet, so you are live, you can be heard and you can hear people in the meeting. Okay, so if you want to mute yourself, you have other things you want to do, you want to receive a call during the meeting and stuff like that, and you don't want it to disrupt the meeting, just click on mute. Click on the microphone icon and it mutes you. If you want to start your video, click on it. It's going to start my video. Okay, so if I click on it back, it's going to mute my video. Okay, so if the host allows you to share your screen, you can also share your screen by clicking on this share screen. You can see, okay, do you see that host disabled attendee screen sharing? And so for you to be able to share your screen, the host has to allow you to share your screen. Okay, so as a participant, you click on this participant. Okay, there are options there. You can see you are having the two people here. Okay, so if you click on this arrow, you can raise hand to indicate your intention to speak. Okay, you can also rename yourself here. If you click on rename here, you can say Ola Ola Olubu. Okay, so can you see? So you have renamed yourself. Okay, let's say you click on Onenimus page right now. You click on it, it takes you here. You can chat Onenimus directly. Okay, you can also click on this arrow and select all. So if you click on that one you send is going to go to only Onenimus. You can see privately. But if you want to chat with everyone, click on this arrow again and click everyone. Okay, so you say hi, then this goes to everyone. Okay, so let's close this and go back to our dashboard. The last thing there is this more option. If you click on more option as a participant, you can do a thumbs up to a message that you like or a presentation that is well delivered. You can clap. Okay, if you click on the more option, you can disconnect audio. You can chat also here. You can also raise hand here. You can also hide non-video participant. You can also click on it in such a way that it shows name when participant join the meeting. Okay, so that is all about how you can join a meeting on Zoom using your mobile phone. Okay, so if you want to lead the meeting, hover to the top right corner of your screen and tap on leave meeting. Okay, so it will prompt you, do you want to leave? Then you leave the meeting. So it brings you back to your page. All right, so that's how you can join a meeting and how you can make use of the Zoom interface right on the go. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that you get the videos as soon as we upload them. And I wish you all the best.